Earth is unique. With a scientific temperament, you will ask me why? Because a scientific mind is never satisfied only with information. Alright, you also know the answer, but still I will tell you, because there exists life. Can we stop there? Why life is able to exist only on Earth? What are the factors that support life? The factors are food, air, ambient temperature, that is the right temperature, neither too cold nor too hot, and I will also say water. So, these are the factors because of which it is able to support life. So, what are the resources of Earth? Very simple: land, air and water. Land, water, air. There is no order in this. Now, the Earth's crust that forms lithosphere. The Earth's crust is not all land. A large part of it is covered by water, and there is a lot of underground water also. This water layer comprises hydrosphere. And the blanket of air around the land is the atmosphere. You must have heard another term, and that is biosphere. Now, what is biosphere? The word bio, living beings. So, biosphere is that life supporting zone where all these three, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, interact to make life possible. A very good definition. Let us write it. It is the life supporting zone where the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere interact to make life possible. So, biosphere is that layer where living beings exist, whether it is microbes, plants or animals. In other words, on land, in water and in air, they are living beings. In the biosphere, we find they are not only living beings, there are two components. The abiotic components are the non-living components like soil, water, air, etc. And the biotic are the very obvious living beings, the microbes, plants and animals. So, first we will go with air. They say the breath of fresh air. Whenever we want to say how we felt energetic, how we feel enthused, is all like a breath of fresh air. Why so? Let us go deep into air.